Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. In today's video, guys, we will show you how to fix a code P0106. This one will be map sensor related code. So this one will be on Hyundai Elantra, guys, generation 2011 to 2017. Now the map sensor is pretty simple to replace, but it's a little bit hidden. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, this thing. Okay, right there you can see the light. Okay, let's point it down there. Okay, this is your map sensor. Here's only one bolt holding it in place. So what we will need to do now, okay, we'll need to remove that vacuum actuator so we can get to the bolt and remove it. Here's only one nut with a 10mm wrench, we can do that. And we just pull it to the side. So if you have that code P0106, guys, this one will be the fix for you. We'll share the part numbers and tools we use in the description of the video very soon after we upload it. So now this one is out of the way there. Okay, and what I'm going to do, okay, let me show you quick. I'm trying to get some light here. Okay, we'll need to disconnect the wire. And this wire you press on that back part, and when you press down, you pull the wiring harness out. Okay, now this is the bolt right there. And in order to get the socket, okay, in our case it will fit like that probably. No, we have to get the vacuum up. Okay, that vacuum arm, you can grab it and pull it up, otherwise you're going to break it. Okay, check it out. Now it's important not to drop the bolt, and once you remove the map sensor, it's very important not to drop anything in the hole. Just so the neighbor bought a new bike, I guess. Okay, now that thing will be stuck in there. This is because it has one seal. Okay, and this is guys the map sensor out of the car. Okay, you can see what it looks like. Trying to focus here. That's the one that reads, okay, the specifications. Okay, code is here. Kia and Hyundai, my bad, uses the same sensor. So now make sure that this hole is clean there. Okay, you can see the hole, and also make sure that you do not drop anything inside of it. We'll get the new sensor now, okay, out of the box. You have to apply a little bit of oil on the seal, that way the seal will slide in easy. And from that point on, okay, we have to get it in. Push on it. Okay. Align the hole, install the bolt, connect the wiring harness, and install that nut right here. That will be, guys, the whole procedure. Everything else in reverse order. So hopefully the video will save you some money. Thank you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.